Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your rewards to Hilton Honors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your rewards to Hilton Honors, begin by logging into your existing Hilton Honors account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Hilton Honors website and clicking on. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section on the home page. Look for the option labeled Transfer Points or Points Transfer. Click on that option to begin the transfer process. Select the loyalty program from which you want to transfer your rewards. Review the list to ensure your rewards program is supported by Hilton Honors. Enter the number of points you wish to transfer. Make sure to check if there are any minimum transfer requirements for your selected program. Verify the current transfer ratio, as some programs may offer different rates. Confirm that your points are eligible for transfer, as not all points may be transferable. Once you've reviewed the information, click on the Transfer button to proceed. You may be prompted to enter additional verification details for security purposes. After verification, you'll receive a confirmation message regarding your transfer request. Check your email for any notifications regarding the status of your transfer. Keep in mind that transfer times may vary depending on the programs involved. After the transfer is complete, log back into your Hilton Honors account to confirm the points have been credited. Explore the Hilton Honors website to utilize your newly transferred points for stays, upgrades, or other rewards. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.